it's Katie here from Life Unhurried. We're here today on Gubbi Gubbi country in the Noosa hinterland, and this is Atelier 34. Let's go and have a look around. Now, the first thing that you should know about this space is that it is especially for solo women travellers. So as much as we love the people around us, you can come here and be completely unavailable. You're cocooned in this gorgeous studio on an acreage, surrounded by forest, with no one to answer to but yourself. What I find really inspiring about this space is that it has literally been put together with discarded materials. So everything you see has been picked up off work sites, out of rubbish bins, things that people didn't want that they were selling on Gumtree, plus presents that the owners have been given, like these beautiful handmade pillows. You look around and there is just so much to be inspired by. Now, you shouldn't feel bad if you spend all of your time here in this beautiful big bed, looking out at the forest with all these gorgeous things around you, such as artworks, these beautiful shutters that have been taken from a nursing home and restored to be made amazing again, and this statement piece by Kate Brew. Here we are in the kitchen where you have everything you need for the night. You've got fresh bread, eggs from the chickens that roam around outside, lots of tea and coffee. You could bring yourself a bottle of wine, not think about cooking dinner for anyone, make a cheese platter and just eat that for the night. Actually, there's a good spot to do that right outside. How's this for a bath? Set in the garden, made entirely of copper. I can't imagine a better way to spend an afternoon. Not only can you come here and do nothing, you can also get a massage, have a one-on-one meditation session, or learn how to do hand-built pottery. If you've ever thought about running away just for a night, this really is the ultimate slow stay.